Now if you move out to the 2-bit magnitude comparator, so there will be 2-bit inputs, 2-bit input A and 2-bit input B. So this will be A0 A1 and B0 B1. These are the 2 bits for A and B respectively. So how you are going to compare the magnitude of A with B, and you need to solve out for the all the combinations. So what I will do, first the whole A is constant since A has got 2 bits, so there will be 4 combinations and B has also 4 combinations. So I compare each combination with all the 4 combination of the other number. So first of all I will keep A constant, so I will keep A0, that is nothing but whole magnitude of A is 0. So A1 and A0 both are 0. Now A0 is having the value 2 raised to 0, whereas A1 has 2 raised to 1. The magnitude of each bit of number A, same as that of B, it has got magnitude 2 raised to 0, it has got magnitude 2 raised to 1. So I kept the whole number A 0, and I will compare this 0 with all the combinations of B, that is nothing but 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. I am going to keep number B as magnitude 0, as magnitude 1, as magnitude 2, as magnitude 3, and I'm comparing all these magnitudes with A is equal to 0. In the very next state, what I will do, I will keep A1. A can take 4 values, 0 1 2 3. I have kept A0. Now I'll keep A1. So this will be 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Correspondingly, B bit will again change from 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Means what? In this section of 4, is 1 compared with all B. In the first section, A0 compared with all B. Let us complete with the whole input chart then. A is 2 here, so this will take value 1 0, that is the magnitude 2, and B can again take the 4 values. Hence the input side is complete, and I think you got complete idea how you are going to compare the magnitude of 2-bit number A and 2-bit number B. So there are 16 combinations. Okay, so we'll start one by one. So in the first group of 4, A0 is compared with B0, B1, B2 and B3. So that is nothing but A0 is equal to B0, so this will be A equal to B. So for the first case, output will be present at A equal to B, and rest of the outputs will be 0. And for the next 3 combinations where A is 0 and B is increasing from 1, 2 and 3, so definitely B is the larger number in all the 3 cases. So output will be present here 1 1 1, and these outputs will be Y2 and Y3 will be 0. In the next group, when A is 1 and B is changing, so in the first case where A is 1, so A is the greater number when B is equal to 0, so A greater than B, so output will be present here in the first case. The rest of the 2 outputs Y1 and Y2 will be 0. In the second one, A is equal to B because both have magnitude 1 0 1 0 1, and rest of the outputs will be 0. In the last 2 combinations, A will be smaller than B, so output will be present here, rest of the outputs will be 0. I think you got the idea, so I will complete the map for you. So this is nothing but your complete output table for the 2-bit magnitude comparator, and you can solve the 4-bit variable K map to get the outputs or the reduced logical expression for Y1, Y2 and Y3, since there are 4 inputs A1, A0, B1, B0. While filling up the K map, you must remember one thing, that A1 is MSB here, so A1 is kept at MSB and B0 is kept at LSB. Since there are 16 combinations starting from 0 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 1, and it will be very easy for you to implement the 2-bit magnitude comparator. Thank you.